This is NDTV, and you're watching Classics.
सोनिया गांधी आई है, नई रोशनी लाई है। सोनिया गांधी जिंदाबाद, राहुल गांधी जिंदाबाद। How are you, Rahul? अभिनंदन और नमन करता हूं।
Hello and welcome. We are in the Govindpur village in Raebareli constituency, from where Sonia Gandhi is contesting for a re-election. Congressmen say it, Raebareli has been making it amply clear that she will win with a phenomenal margin. But that is why we will focus not on the candidate in this edition of Follow the Leader. We will focus on Sonia Gandhi's campaign manager. Rahul Gandhi has taken on himself to ensure that his mother wins with a resounding margin. But the congressmen are expecting and they are speculating that this perhaps is the sunrise.
सबसे पहले मैं आपसे माफी मांगना चाहता हूं कि परसों हम आ नहीं पाए। हमारा प्रोग्राम थोड़ा गलत बन गया, बहुत लेट चल रहा था। आप जानते हैं मेरे परिवार का क्या रिश्ता है रायबरेली से, अमेठी से, कितना पुराना रिश्ता है। श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी जी यहाँ की सांसद रही और उसके 20 साल बाद आपने सोनिया जी को चुना, भारी बहुमत से चुना। पिछले 2 साल से सोनिया जी यहाँ काम कर रही हैं, विकास का काम, सड़क, रोजगार, बिजली, पानी। दुख की बात यह है कि मुलायम सरकार, लखनऊ की सरकार यहाँ में कोई मदद नहीं करती और जो भी यहाँ होता है कांग्रेस सरकार, दिल्ली की कांग्रेस सरकार के माध्यम से होता है। सोनिया जी ने जिम्मेदारी ले रखी है कि आपके विकास को आगे बढ़ाएंगी और उसको पूरा करेंगी और तेजी से काम करेंगी। आपका निश्चित नंबर दे देना, बोलना नहीं।
It was Firoz Gandhi who introduced Raebareli to the Gandhi Nehru family. Then it was Indira Gandhi. Raebareli has benefited from the Gandhi Nehru family. Lots of canals, lots of irrigation projects, roads, industries came to Raebareli. But then Congress lost Uttar Pradesh. We are in Shahjadpur village. One of the biggest worries for this time for Rahul Gandhi is that lots of people in various villages across Raebareli are busy with the harvest season. They travel across as laborers into Punjab and other states. साहब, क्या इस बार कुछ लोग कम हैं?
हाँ जी, हाँ, इस बार कम है कुछ लोग।
क्या?
क्यों? इसलिए कि थोड़ा फसलें गड़बड़ थी, इसलिए लोग बाहर चले गए हैं अपनी रोजमर्रा के लिए, इसलिए से कम है। वैसे
कितना प्रतिशत कम है?
करीब 40%। हाँ, पहले से कम है।
आगे भाई इसका Rahul, is this a concern this time that a lot of workers are out working in fields for harvest seasons?
No, generally this area votes has a low percentage.
Okay. No, any reasons?
It's always the same. It's just standard. आइए फिर हम बायोडाटा लेके आते हैं। अंग्रेजी बोलती हो ठीक से? बोलो, कुछ बोलो।
क्या होना है?
बोलो मेरा नाम क्या है, बोलो।
व्हाट इज योर नेम?
ये हम रख लें, फोटो कॉपी है। देशमुख नमस्कार। नमस्कार। पास हो जाती सब।
हमने बस इतना कहा कि हमको पीएचडी करना है, तो इसके लिए मदद कीजिए। अपना बायोडाटा दिया और बायोडाटा उन्होंने रख लिया है।
अभिनव विनस्पति पात्मसे विष्णु मदन मथन मौल्य रुमाल पीप सुमाला जय जय पताका कापसो मोक्षलक्ष्मण छोट कलकलन का जानवी नकुनाथ एतद ताल तमाल सार सरल ब्याल गल बल्लालिति छन्नम सूर्य कर प्रताप रहितम संख्या दुख जलम दुखम जीवन सुजान जीवन ग्रहण देवे क्षेत्र लोक तमरा हम की जय राहुल भैया राहुल भैया
Puja is for what, Rahul?
I have no idea. They wanted me to come, so I came.
How do we change track from being a candidate to a campaign manager? Is it difficult?
No, I mean, from my perspective, it's very similar. In Amethi, I was the candidate, but I was also my own campaign manager. So
Are you touching the lower denominator more often than usually?
I haven't fought an election in UP, so I don't know how elections are fought outside Amethi and Raebareli in UP. But in this election, what we're trying to do is have more mass contact and touch the lower end of sort of end of the organizational chain in terms of workers.
Don't you think that with each visit, with each foray, the congressmen's expectations from you that you will take over, take charge, start delivering orders, you know, they don't understand perhaps that learning process which you have been talking about for a long time.
And
Expectations to
what's
go
your
up.
question?
So I'm asking that, do you think, are they justified in expecting that you can be the man with a magic wand?
Well, no one has a magic wand. I don't think magic wand sorts anything out. I think the need is for the Congress to work at the grassroots.
Today again the Samajwadi Party raked in foreign origin.
Well, I mean, generally we tend to focus on what we're doing. We don't really focus in principle. My family doesn't really focus on what what names our opposition is calling us or what they're saying to us. So it really, I mean, Samajwadi Party, whoever can say whatever they want. We know what our job is, and we tend to try to do that.
You know that the Congress has to come back to power to deliver in UP. Development needs
Well,
power.
Well, right now I'm working in Amethi and Raebareli, and sure we have difficulties in terms of development here, because as I said earlier also in one of my meetings, you might have heard about the canal issue. You know. So they try and hamper us. There's 260 crores in the Sharda Canal that the central government has given for Raebareli, and the UP government says no, we're not going to let you have that money. So this type of thing they do.
The AIDS campaign.
Yeah, the eighth campaign. They are counterproductive. I mean, from our side, we keep doing our job, pressuring them. Eventually, we'll get our canal.
Do you think, when you had said in your maiden speech, that the people who are closest to the problem perhaps understand it the better? Are you trying to get closer to the problem? Is this yet another effort to get closer to the problem?
No, when I said people who are closest to the problem understand the problem, I meant the worker in the village. Now, sure, it's a good thing if people who are physically not at the village try and get an understanding of what is going on in the village. But obviously, Mr. Rahul Gandhi cannot understand what is going on in 6 lakh villages. So the job has to be done organizationally.
There was that report which was prepared that how people need to be, by the time it is 2007, and there might be 14 to 45-year-old people might be virtually more than 50% of the crowd literate in this state. Younger people, greater interaction with individuals.
Look, I'll tell you, I mean, the thing that disturbs me, I travel around Uttar Pradesh, I travel around the south, principally. There is a vast difference in the opportunities being provided to our youth in the southern states, in the states which are doing well. Some states are doing excessively well, other states are doing reasonably well. What bothers me is that we have over 180 million people here. The bulk of them are youth. And we are not tapping their potential. We are not using their abilities. And we are trapping them in concepts that are just irrelevant and old. So that's what worries me. What worries me is I see the same children in a school in Bangalore, or a school, not even Bangalore, in a school in Karnataka outside. Totally different mindset.
Absence of dreams? Yeah. They don't know
Not
where to go.
active destruction of dreams, not absence of dreams. So you have a child who has a dream, and you, as somebody who's trying to push his dreams forward, you do things that basically destroys them.